this window actually survived a fire, and somebody actually reclaimed the window, brought it to us, they want to repair it here. I believe I've heard of going to put it in their house. So, I think that we're finished with this as far as pieces. It just kind of needs kind of. Oh, it's done. Oh, okay. It's completely finished. So this one is, I guess, ready to go out. Yep, they've already called the customer. So cool. So now this over here, some of you have already seen it. This is that festival sink I was talking about before. You can see how we've kind of ladled the color, the little swatches of color in there, how it's kind of drizzled throughout that bowl there. On top of one of our glass countertops we can make as well. Now, these the color that's coming through this countertop is our just our 1/8 inch thick piece of sheet glass, and we've laminated that between two pieces of clear plate glass. Gives it a lot of strength, so you can use it as a countertop. We'd probably recommend it more for your bathroom vanities than kitchen countertops because of the whole it's still glass thing. But you wouldn't want to be like, oops, there goes my cast iron pan. So bathroom vanities are a little bit better for this type of a situation. Yeah, we can do this with any of our sheets of glass. So you could use it, you could backlight it, use that as a night light, put it on a dimmer switch in your bathroom, have a nice night light in your bathroom, put a really cool statement piece in your bathroom. So really cool things that we're starting to do. If you'd like to come over here, I will give you a bead making demonstration really quickly.